In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train conversation AI in GoHighLevel. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to improve your AI's performance, these steps will guide you through optimizing your setup. Let's dive right in. First, let's head into the conversation AI settings. Depending on your account version, you might find this under Settings or AI Employee. Once you're there, it's time to provide some crucial business information. The AI becomes truly effective when it has a comprehensive understanding of your business. This includes details about your services, pricing, hours of operation, service area, policies, and of course, your goals. For instance, if you're a dental clinic in Miami offering services like teeth cleaning, implants, and emergency appointments, these details will serve as the foundational context for your AI, helping it to interact more intelligently with clients and potential leads. Next, let's talk about FAQs. Consider them the lifeblood of your AI's training. The strategic addition of FAQs ensures that your AI can provide prompt and accurate responses. For example, you'll want to include questions such as, "Do you accept insurance?" with an appropriate answer like, "Yes, we accept most PPO plans." The more intricate and specific your FAQs, the better the AI will perform in real-world interactions. Now, defining the AI's personality and tone is crucial. This step involves setting a communication style that aligns with your brand's identity. Whether you aim for a professional and concise tone or a more casual and friendly demeanor, make sure it reflects how you want your business to be perceived. A well-defined system prompt, such as instructing the AI to act as a friendly and professional front desk assistant, can dramatically enhance the quality of interactions. Offering seamless booking is another fundamental aspect. Make sure you integrate your calendars and define appointment types and availability. It's vital to train your AI to handle booking behaviors effectively, confirming the customer's preferred date and time, and suggesting alternatives if needed. This functionality is a great advantage as GoHighLevel AI can directly book appointments within your workflows. Additionally, you'll want to train escalation rules for seamless transitions to human agents. This is particularly important in scenarios such as when a customer expresses anger, requests refunds, or asks complex legal questions. By anticipating these interactions, you prevent potential mishaps and maintain customer satisfaction. The ability to qualify leads through AI can significantly enhance your sales funnel. Teach your AI to identify key indicators such as service needs, urgency, and budget. For instance, if a lead has a budget exceeding $5,000, they can be tagged as a high-value lead, effectively prioritizing them in your sales process. Integrating workflows with AI takes its capabilities to the next level. When a lead replies, the AI can ask qualifying questions, and based on the responses, the workflow can move the lead through the appropriate pipeline, notifying sales reps accordingly. Finally, regularly feeding the AI with real conversations is essential for continuous improvement. By analyzing successful interactions, booked appointments, and even failed ones, you can refine prompts and update FAQs. This iterative process ensures your AI evolves over time, becoming more adept at handling customer interactions. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to training conversation AI in GoHighLevel. Remember, the key lies in continuously refining and adapting your AI settings to align with your business goals and customer needs.